Hello YouTube team, Shobhadevu ARK. This is my YouTube channel name. I am doing daily vlogs, health and beauty tip videos. This is my channel banner. This is my logo. So I have uploaded 140 videos. I have complete 1000 subscribe and 4000 watch hour. So I am going now scrolled all my videos. I swear not copied from other videos and not I took from other platform. I am showing you all the thumbnail and title not reused again. I shoot all my long videos myself and do my own voiceover. You on my channel from Kindma. ರಾತ್ರಿದು ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. I edit all my videos with KineMaster app. I will edit and show the most viewed video on my channel from KineMaster app. And own voiceover. My all videos thumbnail editing in Pixellab app. First open the Pixellab app and select the thumbnail size and select the image. Okay. This is the complete profile of my YouTube channel. Hope there are no mistake my channel videos. Please check my YouTube channel again. I asked them turn on my channel monetization. Thank you.